so as I said, this weekend on the 11th is the election for the ones Indonesians who live abroad, and we will be broadcasting that as well. So that should be interesting that the election is coming closer and closer, and all of us are being awash by informations in the internet about all the candidates.
Yes, indeed, Uli. It has been, I think, a few months since the 28th of November until now, in which lots of information about the elections have been put in our minds. And it's quite interesting that it really didn't feel like a lot of time from November till now, but it felt really long. And now we are almost at the end goal, which is the elections itself. Can you believe it?
Can you believe it? But the good thing about it is that a lot of Gen Zs and millennials are quite opinionated during this election, because there's a lot of information as well. And in one side, it's good that people are doing their research. They want to know more about the candidates. They want to know more about the parties involved before they make a conscious decision this coming election very soon.
Yes, and we do hope everything will continue to be as peaceful, as civil, as we are a democratic country.
That's true.
Yes, and that all the elections will, continue to run smoothly.
Okay, let's move on to our next report. The Minister of Industry has inaugurated a new processing facility that will produce phytopharmaceuticals or plant-derived medicine. Now, this factory, called House of Wellness, is expected to boost the growth of homegrown herbal-based medicine industry.
Industry Minister Agus Gumiwang Kartasasmita presided the inauguration ceremony of the facility in Jakarta on Tuesday. Agus said in his speech that the ministry initiated the factory development under its Center of Standardization and Services for Chemical, Pharmaceutical, and Packaging Industry. Agus says the ministry hopes that the factory can support the growth of Indonesia's natural-based drug industry.
House of Wellness yang merupakan fasilitas produksi obat-obatan alam yang telah dibangun oleh Balai Besar, merupakan salah satu peran aktif dari Kemenperin dalam upaya mendukung kebijakan Kementerian Obat-obatan Alam. Melalui House of Wellness ini diharapkan dapat dicapai proses dan bahan baku yang standar, sehingga akan menciptakan ketahanan kesehatan melalui pengadaan obat nasional, di mana masyarakat dapat memperoleh obat dengan mudah, accessible, terjangkau, affordable, tersedia dimanapun dibutuhkan, available, dan juga berkesinambungan.
Agus said the initiative will help Indonesia to unlock huge potentials to develop its pharmaceuticals industry. The minister hoped that there will be more local pharmaceutical industry players that can produce nature-based drugs with standardized materials. He cited an example of micro-business owners such as producers of jamu or traditional herbal drink who will be able to upscale their businesses through standardization. Meanwhile, head of the Center of Standardization and Services for Chemical, Pharmaceutical, and Packaging Industry, Andi Rizaldi, says that House of Wellness is equipped with complete processing machines and facilities. He cited processors for Simplicia, or dried natural ingredients that will be used for sortation, washing, draining, chopping, and drying. The factory's whole process starts from extracting, evaporating, formulating, to packaging products at the end.
Bantu juga secara individu